You like to cook as a hobby,
Yeah.
and what's your favorite mango dish or recipe that you like to cook?
My favorite mango dish is definitely mango cobbler, which is just modeled after a peach cobbler recipe, but it's better than peach cobbler in most cases.
Of course.
Besides that, I've had some good mango pies, and mango ice creams can be kind of hit or miss. A lot of the other mango products I've had have not impressed me.
Have you ever had a mango upside down cake?
No, but Rebecca makes pineapple upside down cake, so we'll have to try that. Actually, that was suggested.
It's same recipe, just switch it
right,
out.
Yeah.
Just switch it out.
Mango bread.
How about Jollibee? You ever been to Jollibee? So
No.
Jollibee is a Filipino chicken place. They have one in like Miami and Orlando, and they have like, remember the McDonald's little hot pie, apple pie thing? So Jollibee has one with mango and peach,
Oh, neat.
and it's fast food garbage. But it's
Well, yeah, there's definitely tons of different things you can do with mango in terms of recipes and culinary uses. And at different stages too, obviously. People make pickles out of them and things of that sort when they're green, and drinks and whatnot. So mangoes have a really wide variety of uses, for when it comes to cooking. I'm just not the expert when it comes to how to use them that way. I've certainly used them in some recipes and things like that, but there's other people that have developed whole cookbooks based
we need
on
to
mango.
have a mango festival at Swank Farms or something.
Yeah, I know that Alan Saucer, who's written some books and stuff, has quite an extensive background using mangoes in recipes. He's a chef, and I don't know him, but like I know he's written about them.
Right.
So if somebody was wanting to look for mango recipes, that might be one direction to see.